It's Tuesday. There's a kitty. It's a beautiful day outside, it looks like. There's my unmade bed that I just got out of, and let's go get my reactive rescue dog Spike out of his bed. There he is. What a cute boy you are. Who's ready to get out of bed? Oh boy. Hi, honey. Oh, that's a big stretch. Oh, good dog. How was your sleep? Oh, baby. Good morning. Oh, he's so excited to get out of bed. This little guy loves to get out of bed. And Mommy would love to go back to bed. Okay, okay. This is what we do every morning. Oh, every morning. You ready to go outside, go pee-pee? Okay, let's go outside, go pee.